the 1995 Mazda RX-7, a true icon of lightweight performance and rotary engineering. Finished in red, it carries a timeless balance of speed, precision, and pure driving emotion. But time leaves its mark. The once deep red paint has faded. The surface shows light scratches, losing the sharp reflections it once held. Its curves are still beautiful, its stance still aggressive, but the shine feels slightly lost. Yet, the spirit remains untouched. This is not a full restoration. This is a careful revival. The process begins with a gentle wash. Foam spreads across the body, lifting away years of dust and dullness. Water flows smoothly, revealing the original shape beneath. Every line, every curve, still perfect. Then comes the refresh. The paint is corrected and refinished, restoring a clean, vibrant red. Not overly changed, just brought back to life. The color deepens, reflections return, and the RX-7 begins to glow once again. Slowly, quietly, the legend wakes up.
Now the transformation is complete. The 1995 Mazda RX-7 stands in its refreshed red finish. Smooth, clean, and full of light. Light moves across its curves, highlighting the design that made this car unforgettable. This was never about rebuilding. It was about restoring what already existed. Small imperfections are gone. The paint feels even, refined, and balanced. The red tone now carries depth and clarity, giving the car a fresh yet authentic presence. Every detail works in harmony, simple, precise, timeless. A final protective layer is applied, sealing the shine and preserving the finish. The reflections sharpen, the surface glows, and the RX-7 stands quietly, yet confidently. And then, the final moment, the reveal. The 1995 Mazda RX-7, not heavily restored, but beautifully refreshed in red. Clean, iconic, and alive once again. Sometimes, true beauty only needs to be revealed.